Paul, a jury found Jeffrey Wogenstall guilty of stabbing and beating 10-year-old Amber Garrett to death in November of 1991. Now, during the original trial, witnesses say that they saw Wogenstall in the area, and investigators say that they found a drop of blood in Wogenstall's car that matched Amber Garrett's. Now, Garrett's father, Robert, has been in the courtroom each day, listening as the attorneys raise questions about the case against Jeffrey Wogenstall. Now, today, the prosecution focused on attorney Mark Crumbine. He was part of the original defense team for Wogenstall. Now, he laid out several pieces of information that were withheld from them leading up to that original trial. One critical issue was the fact that Hamilton County Coroner's Office did not find anything in the underwear of Amber Garrett.
Then the FBI got involved later on, and they supposedly found a hair or two. But I was dumbfounded that in a case of this magnitude, that the county coroner couldn't find hairs on such small articles of clothing that like a 10-year-old girl would wear, knowing that that was a death penalty or a murder case.
Wogenstall's defense attorneys continue to point out issues they say show that the prosecution, as well as the police at the time, either hid or withheld information that could have cast doubt on Wogenstall as the killer. Now, when it was time for the state's attorneys to cross-examine Mark Crumbine, they focused on how the rules at the time were followed, and they asked Crumbine if he felt like the prosecutors at the time tried to hide anything from the Wogenstall defense team. Crumbine repeatedly said that he was treated fairly and ethically by the attorneys for the prosecution.
You can always find our stories here on YouTube, but go ahead and click subscribe to get notifications and stay in the know.